Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hey, don't hit the back button. It's me. It's your boy Huck. It's me, Gear 3 Watch Faces. Yeah, I messed around and made a mistake. I did the dumb thing, and that simply means that I'm telling you, I messed up, okay? But what we're gonna talk about, the Gear S4 and its upcoming and some of the things that I'm looking forward to come on this new smartwatch. So stay tuned. Again, don't hit the back button. It's me. It's me. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we want to talk about some of the things we would like to see change, or some of the features we would like to see on the Gear S4 when it arrives. Hopefully it arrives around the time that they drop the Galaxy Note 9. Now, with that being said, we're going to start off with number one. Now, number one, we got to say, is the battery. We do want the battery to increase. The battery is a beast already. I'm pretty much only going to get a day and a half with it. My battery has depleted to some degree. Normally I would get home with like 60%. Now I'm thinking I'm getting home with like anywhere between 50 and 40. So with that being said, I would like for them to push the limit on it like they're about to do with the Galaxy Note 9. Hopefully they could push the limit to at least 4 to maybe, and I think that Samsung can do this, to 5 days of battery life. That would be one of the things that I would like to see come with the new Gear S4. Number two, I'm going to have to say I would like to see the Gear S4 lose a little bit of weight. I would like to see it get thin, not too thin, but thin enough to where it looks and feels a lot better on the wrist, and it looks a little bit more premium. I still want to feel some substantialness to it. I don't want it too light, but at the same time, I would like to see it get a little bit thinner compared to the Gear S3. Now, the Gear S3, it looks good, it does feel good, but there is some chunkiness to this smartwatch. Number three is going to be a touchy subject because some of you all, matter of fact, a lot of you all want the design to stay the same. For me, I would like the design to change. I would like to go ahead and leapfrog into a new evolution, right? What I mean is remember when they came out with the Gear S, and the Gear S, I'm telling you, everybody didn't like it, and a lot of people did like it, and then the Gear S actually took off. It was a nice design. It was a different design. It was very unique in its own right. Now, the same thing is going to apply if they bring this concept to life so far as the Gear S4 is concerned. I'm loving it. I would like to see the curved display. It would tie right into what we already have with the Galaxy Note 9, the Galaxy S9, and the S9 Plus. We need something different. We already have three round smartwatches already. Why not have something a little bit different, especially for premium quality purposes? What do you think? Hit me in the comment section below and give me your thoughts on this one. I know this one here is a touchy subject. Number four, you all, I'm going to tell you, first off, I'm not a fan of S-Voice. I haven't been a fan of S-Voice for years, probably since its first concept, right? Now, I'm thinking they should have been added Bixby when they added the very first update, the 3.0 update, but they didn't. They didn't do it with the 3.2. So I don't know what's going on with Samsung, but I wish they do something because S-Voice isn't working, and we do need a working AI. So why not give us Bixby? What's the problem with that? Now, this is what I would like to see come on the Gear S4, either Bixby or Google Assistant. Now, I know there's going to be some argument about that they can't do it, they won't do it, but I wish they do something, because when I got Android Wear on, I can ask Google Assistant anything. I can ask it, what's the color of the moon? I can ask it, what's the name of the blue owl, or whatever it is I want to ask it. But we need an AI, a working AI on the Gear S4. That would be for number four. Number five. Now, number five, be open-minded with me about this one. Now, this one here is more so of a dear letter to Samsung, more so than anything, but it is still something that I would like to see come on the Gear S4, right? And that's going to be customization. What do I mean? I would like to be able to customize the watch faces that I download onto my smartwatch on my smartphone. I would like to be able to go to my smartphone, customize the colors, the features, what icon I would like to have on here, what shortcuts I would like to have on that particular smartwatch, and be able to change those things at will. Why? Because not every day am I into exercising. Not every day am I looking to check my heart rate and or my calories burned. This particular day, I may be going out. I may be hitting the town. And this particular watch face looks great, but it's just cluttered with all these different features and icons on this watch face. So I would like to be able to get rid of whatever icons I would like to get rid of. Maybe I would like to leave the date. Maybe I would like to leave the battery info. But I would like to be able to have a little bit more customization, Samsung, if you're listening, to be able to control those things. Now, I'm not trying to compare you with Android Wear, but that feature makes it so much more convenient to really have some control over the watch faces that I'm paying for, that I'm going to have for as long as I have the smartwatch. And I don't think it's a problem. So Samsung, could you please just consider? I say just consider. All right. But if anybody have any, what can I say, comments on this, right, about this particular feature and or letter that I'm writing to Samsung about the customization on these watch faces, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you will want to see come on the Gear S4 when it arrives. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I really enjoyed doing it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Relax, take it easy, and enjoy. All right, you all, we will see you all at the next video. Take care, have fun, and get ready for the Monday grind. Take care.